Looking at all of our projects as a whole, from LED lighting to HVAC upgrades to compressed air programs we have in place. I know just in the 3 years I've been in this role, working with TVA and City of Maryville, we have reduced just over 90,000 megawatt hours of energy usage. I know different areas will have different rates, but for DENSO, that's about a little over $5 million worth of savings. Without that partnership with TVA and City of Maryville, we definitely would not have achieved those results that we've seen so far. We try to take advantage between TVA incentives and programs and working with City of Maryville, who's our local utility provider. We try to work with both of those groups to take advantages of as many programs as we can. Whether that's upgrading a small 5, 10, 15 horsepower compressor up to some larger 1,000 horsepower compressors we have on site, I can almost guarantee there are programs that you are not taking advantage of. My recommendation would be to reach out to your local reps today and just talk with them and see what programs or incentives that you might be missing out on. And there's no better time to start than right now.